Spots get 5 points for crossing the baseline, 7 foot 9 inches away from the wall. They also get points for delivering gears and starting up one of the rotors. Each rotor that they can start in autonomous gets them 60 points, signaled right there by the Red Alliance, lighting up the yellow light. As we now look at the scoreboard, it's 75-5 in favor of the Red Alliance. The Blue Alliance starts their first rotor turning. They now place another gear in the gear set for rotor number 2. As the Red Alliance has the gear set completed for rotor number 2, they need 3 more gears to start rotor number 3. The pilot on the Blue Alliance maneuvering around on the deck of the airship, trying to collect those gears and place them in the gear set. As Team Reboot delivers a gear to the airship, the pilot picks it up off of the robot. Now it's onto the deck. They have 2 more gears up, 2 of the 3 needed to complete the gear set for the third rotor. As 6349, Albany High Indians release 100 fuel elements and then start collecting the fuel onto their robot. 6349 can take those fuel elements and score in the low hopper or the high hopper. They can gain valuable fuel points for stoking the boiler. 3635, the Flying Legion delivering another gear. If they can get that gear successfully on there, they should be able to start that third rotor turning for another 40 points. 115-85 right now, the Red Alliance over the Blue Alliance. As the third rotor gear set has been completed and it starts its turning. 1 more gear needed for the Blue Alliance in order to start their third rotor turning. Right now, the Red Alliance has a little more lift. They're going a little bit higher in the air than the Blue Alliance. As 2974, Walton Robotics delivers a gear. The final gear placed in the gear set for the third rotor, and it is turning now. We're down to under 30 seconds left to go in the match as the ropes are being deployed and the bots are going to try to climb. Here comes Walton Robotics approaching the rope. They've grabbed a hold of the rope. They've started their mechanism turning. They've got a good hold on it. 4193 also, they're up as well. Walton up in contact with the touchpad. 4193, the Midnight Raptors, they're having a little trouble climbing, but 3635, the Flying Legion, they fly high and they get themselves a seat on the airship. At T0, they're in contact with that touchpad. That's all that matters, being in contact at T0. As match number 42 is in the books, here we go in the clouds one more time. The Red Alliance crosses the line ahead of the Blue Alliance with a score of 205 to 175. The rotor points made a big difference in that match, as well as the auto mobility crossing the line in auto. That made a difference in the match. 42 of 64 in the books as we're going to go to